Welcome to Takshisala Gurukul channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe immediately, press the bell button and write your comments and feedback. Share with your friends as much as possible. We provide online Kundalini Raja Yoga initiation and Kundali activation in 6 months. The judgment of the Trinity does not appear to be strong unless it is prepared within an object. The reason is that whoever has the power to create and protect the 14 worlds, 5 Karmendriyas, 5 Janandriyas, 5 Antakaranas, should know that there are 14 worlds in his stomach. It was decided that he is the eldest. Vishnu is the presiding deity for the body, the full-bodied body-awake state, because the business of protecting the 15 worlds takes place here. Brahma is the presiding deity for the subtle body-awake state because the business of creation takes place here. The reason is that since the business that took place in the body-awake and dream states is absorbed in sleep, Rudra is the presiding deity for the sleep state. Sattva is the guna in wakefulness, Rajas in dreams, and Tamas in sleep. Thus, Brahma swallowed Rudra, the self that knows nothing, and Vishnu, the consciousness of thought. That is, he became an imaginary body. Like Sheikh Muhammad's imaginary creation, they both saw Brahma's mental creation. Finally, Shiva, who knew nothing beyond imagination, went into a state of sleep, descended. That is, he became outwardly sighted and became awake. Ala Dil Ala Prakriti, Leaf Dal, Vishnu, in his waking state, fell asleep in the 8 petals of the heart lotus. That is, he became absorbed in the form of energy, devoid of all desires. Brahma also came out of Vishnu's navel lotus after seeing the 14 worlds. Brahmas face 4 types of thoughts: karma, arati, yoga, ananda from feelings. To see the 4 directions the thought of attainment was upward, the thought of I am Parashiva. Shiva cut off this 5th ego form face. As per Brahma's prayer, Shiva made it into a skull. The skull is the one from which Shiva enjoys bliss. Madhu Katabaha's slaughter in the destruction and yoga sleep, the evil nature was predominant, and then from the ear of Vishnu, that is, from the evil nature of the earth, ego, speech, subtle, and all the other elements, mixed together, were born. These are described by the name of Madhu Katabhar. Brahma, knowing that creation would not be born without the Madhu Katabhar that had come to him, meditated on the goddess. The primordial Shakti, in her tamasic form of Mahakali, entered the body of Vishnu, the benefactor of the world, and the Panchikarana performed by the Sudarshana Chakra was Madhu. It is described in the form of the destruction of the hands. First, each of the 5 great elements was divided into 2, one of which was kept as is, and the remaining parts were divided into 4 equal parts, and the remaining 4 elements were left in the small part that remained, leaving their elements, and adding the 8 parts of the remaining 4 elements. This is the order of the origin of the universe. The meaning of the first story: this is the Karmakanda, the enemies of the karma are the weak and self-absorbed. Madhu Visham Karmaphilam, Katopanishad, Tamasasya Karman Katritvabhiman, Tantra Bhasha. Brahma meditated on the goddess in order to suppress the demons, the weak and self-absorbed, who were an obstacle to him during the creation. She destroyed them with the Sudarshana Chakra, which is not a doer, but a consumer. From the story, the self-absorbed he is born and dies with the fruits of his actions. All the affairs within the body and the universe are carried out by the inspiration of Shakti. Therefore, she is the doer of the actions. I am not the doer of actions and I am not the one who follows the fruits of actions. He who knows this is detached and enjoys supreme bliss. Shakti is the cause of peace for the world. She is called Narayani to attain the masculine nature through self-pleasure. Narayana is the center of the universe, and Tarami, that is, the pervasive eternal thing, Vishnu, is the origin. These are the alternative words. Chichikivallabhashiva Vishnu Vallabhashiva or Umasa Swayam Vishnu was sleeping on this Vishnu Adhisesha, in the form of the root, the form of the Supreme Brahman. That is, it should be understood that he enjoys as one.